Spinabenz on this channel, Mr. Social Reacts. Make sure y'all go check out my main channel. I just dropped a video over there. That being said, we got spinning motherfucking Benz, man. We ain't, you know what I'm saying? For those who don't know, I ain't react to him in a minute on my main channel either, so you know what I'm saying? Always good to react to spinning Benz and all of them, you know what I'm saying? Nigga trying to spin, nigga trying to spin some shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hail Mary shit. Nigga, no football, nigga.
I walk through the rain and the storm. That's probably why my chain going dumb. I hope. Keep me going. I walk through the rain and the storm. That's probably why my chain going dumb. I hope my mama not ashamed of my son. They only saying I'm in the game cause I bang with my gun. Come on, keep going. Deep in the
they on them. Well, talk your shit.
That's probably why my chain going dumb. I hope my mama not ashamed of my son. They only saying I'm in the game cause I bang with my gun. Come on, keep going. Deep in the streets and talking about need to. I probably don't owe nobody except for cheat shit. I'm a star, look how I shot, check out my VVs. I decided I'ma pop my shit today, feces. Fuckers we waiting for, I'm getting impatient, go. My flow sick as hell, it's my patient flow. Anybody know how to save a life, fuckers you waiting for. If you so evil, you know that's love, right? Fuckers you waiting for. To survive out here in this world, gotta get strong, got some mic. It's my patient flow.
Nigga talking this shit on this bitch.
I know how to save a life, fuck is you waiting for? If you so evil, you know that's love, right? Fuck is you waiting for? To survive out here in this world, gotta get strong, got some mic. Won't keep it silent, talking is my hobby. I keep 3Ks like the clan, but that's not me. These really sticks, these Ks I'm playing with.
I keep 3 sticks like the clan, nigga.
Waiting for, to survive out here in this world, gotta get strong, got some mic. Won't keep it silent, talking is my hobby. I keep 3Ks like the clan, but that's not me. These really sticks, these Ks I'm playing with you high.
Nigga put on a whole goddamn different lanes than my phone dripping. He did. What the fuck?
3Ks like the clan, but that's not me. These really sticks, these Ks I'm playing with you high.
Land, touch bitches in sunshine. I need them bitches. Hey, y'all know what them is. I need them ass. No bullshit. No bullshit, I need them. No bullshit.
I walk through the rain and the storm. That's probably why my chain going dumb. I hope my mama not ashamed of the streets and talking about they did. I probably don't owe nobody except for cheat shit. I'm a star, look how I shot, check out my VVs. I decided I'ma pop my shit today, feces.
I ain't gonna lie, them glasses harder than the bitch. Hey, them glasses harder than the bitch. I gotta get them bitches. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm a star, look how I shot, check out my VVs. I decided I'ma pop my shit today, feces. Fuckers we waiting for, I'm getting impatient, go. My flow sick as hell, it's my patient flow. Anybody know how to save a life? Fuckers you waiting for.
This is what I love right here. You ain't him not dissing one nigga in this song. This is what I love right here, Spins. This is what I love. I love that type of shit too. Don't get me wrong, pause. But you know what I'm saying? If a motherfucker come on the beat and not even for, you know what I'm saying, they known for dissing niggas and shit, just come on the beat, just kill it and then just do his own flow. That shit hard. Yeah, give us some, you know what I'm saying, that's good, man. This is it.
I'm getting impatient, go. My flow sick as hell, it's my patient flow. Anybody know how to save a life? Fuck is you waiting for? If you so evil, you know that's love, right? Fuck is you waiting for?
I said, if you know, nigga, that's a little backwards, nigga. Envy is a little backwards, nigga.
Anybody know how to save a life? Fuck is you waiting for? If you so evil, you know that's love, right? Fuck is you waiting for?
Hey, you don't walk. Y'all niggas gotta drop. Y'all niggas be tripping. Y'all tripping. Oh, God. That being said, give me your thumbs on Spinabenz. We fuck with you. Like I said, I fuck with this. You know what I'm saying? I love how there ain't no diss song. You came with your flow. I think it's a different flow if I ain't tripping, but you know what I'm saying? Probably the beat need to be sped up a little bit. I'm so used to you just got down, you feel me? But I fuck with this shit type shit. That being said, give me your thumbs up. Make sure y'all go check out the, you know what I'm saying, the original video in the description down below. And also check out my main channel. I just posted a video over there. See you when I see y'all, nigga. Let's ride, nigga.